Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your photos from Google Photos. So guys, let's continue into your Google Photos. And guys, at first let me tell you something, that you cannot delete all of your photos from Google Photos at once. So guys, if you want to delete all your photos, then just tap on and press any photos you want. Now select the rest of the photos by tapping on them which you want to delete. And after selecting the photos, just tap on the delete option and then tap on move to trash. And guys, in move to trash option, your deleted photos will be remain for 30 days. And after 30 days, the photos will be deleted permanently. And that's how you can delete all your photos from Google Photos very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.